While I was doing chemo, it became apparent that I was very fatigued. I had a lot of nausea. I was taking an injection called Neulasta that was very painful afterwards. And one of the doctors told me, well, you know, do you want to try acupuncture to work with your immune system? Because I said there has to be something else that is going to help my immune system. I had never had acupuncture before.
Well, acupuncture is one of the treatment modalities within Chinese medicine. It's a very long-standing manual technique that's been brought into the modern era. We now use all medical-grade equipment, sterilized, you know, all that. But underneath all that is very old technique, and it essentially works on almost any condition. And its goal is to take these lines of energy that have been charted over a long period of time, and there are access points that we call acupuncture points, and those are ways of getting access to these meridians to correct body systems. Could be pain, could be internal medicine, right? Most people are aware of pain, but it also works on everything from digestion, mood, sleep, skin, urinary, respiratory, cardiac, etc.
I loved it. I was working through my chemo, and I would crawl to my safe space in Amy's a special bed so that I could have the acupuncture. It helped me with the fatigue, and in my case, and I don't know if it's the same for everybody, I did not have to have the Neulasta any longer. Well, for me, the effects were so immediate. You know, I felt like I also felt like I was doing something to control what I couldn't control. And since then, I'm a survivor now. Since then, I'm not getting chemo. I come back. I come back whenever something is wrong, and before something is wrong, when I'm feeling a little bit depleted, because life does that to you, you know. I will come, and she will sit down with me and go through the whole entire stuff and the story. So what's happening with you? She's very careful. Helps me with direction on nutrition, not nutrition but supplements also. So it's absolutely worth it.
Here at Memorial, I see a very large amount of breast cancer patients. Some of them are going through their treatment and they're seeking support and help to make that gentler, you know, like to prevent side effects, but also to soften or remove them as they happen. And then other breast cancer patients opt and they come in after treatment, maybe to clean up after treatment. You know, maybe they're still tired.
I always say there might be a lady out there that is going through chemo that doesn't think that this will help. And I am hoping that maybe if they hear it from somebody that went through it, and somebody that because we still have side effects after we are survivors, and we still need help in many areas. So maybe if they hear from somebody that experienced it and is experiencing, you know, what is left of the side effects, maybe they'll believe it and maybe they'll try it, and it will make them feel better, and that makes it worth it.